Andrea here, and we are completely done with the Coral Couture paper stack. And our mini album turned out so pretty. I even used a piece off of the front cover. There's just a few sheets left, and they are going to be great for making cards with. Okay, let's get to our book. Alrighty, our front cover turned out really cute. I put some paper flowers with rhinestones mixed with some fabric flowers. Then we have this butterfly I got from the Dollar Tree. Rhinestone, like zippy is what I think it's called. We have lace and pearls on the side, then lace at the bottom and at the top. Okay, of course little rhinestones all around because I'm a rhinestone girl. Then we have our spine, turned out really cute, and this is the back. This is tying down this flip I added to the back of the book. The sticker here, I actually got, let's see, it's called Stickabilities. Got it for 75 cents. It's made by the Paper Studio. It was regularly $2.99. This one says Shiny Bright. Excuse me. Alright, so let's check out the flip. It's not all, you know, that, but it's a flip. This is a side pocket here. Let's see if you can see that. There. Plenty of space for photos. And then we have a bigger pocket here. Alright. These tags came from the paper stack. Alright, let's tie that back up. I really love how the back turned out. I always wanted to try and put a pocket or a flip on the back of a book. And I think it worked out good. Oop. Okay, that's just to keep it even more secure. Alright, we have a ribbon closure. This is our inside front page. We have two tags here. Then we have a pocket full of tags. Let's see how many I pull out of here. A bazillion. Tags are so fun. So we have those. They came out of the envelope. Then this side here has a flip to the left. This one is a flip to the right. Magnetized. This opens up this way. And then we have it open up this way. And you have a tag here. Basically to show you could tuck your photo in there. Okay, turned out cute. This one is our belly band tag holder. We have a cute little tag here with a journaling spot. And then on this side, we have the same thing. That was fun to make. And we have this flip here. We have pearls and rhinestones. This is glitter paper here. This comes down like so. This has two corners that I put on here, metal corners, and then they hold photographs on both sides. And that flips up. Then this flips over to the left, like so. And then there's a big tag here. Next page, we have an angle pocket with a couple of tags in here. This is a tag that has a photo holder, and then some tags here, and then there. I love that one. Very cute. We got rhinestones everywhere. This one has lace and pearls, a butterfly and a flower, and then a ribbon closure, and then this flips up like so. Then you have this section here, then it flips down like so. You have this section here, and then this is a belly band with a tag with some cute little stickers on there. Just like so. I think that turned out really cute. I like using ribbon. I don't know, I may be addicted to ribbon. Okay, let's turn that over. This is our next page. This is a pocket flip. So you flip that up. You have photo space here. There is a tag here. And then you have a journaling spot here. Okay, now we have this flip up, and it is a pocket, and I'll show you how that works. So you flip this up, you flip this down and this down, and then you have two pockets on each side. Got that, folks? Alright, so we have our tags inside of this side pocket, or this right side pocket. And then in our left side we have tags as well. Very cute. Pull this up a little. We'll do the same for this. Okay. Plenty of room for photos on that page. Alright, this is a belly band with a waterfall. It's a 4-page waterfall, a 3-page waterfall. And this turned out really cute. I love the colors on this. There we go. Okay. I love that. We put rhinestones on there. I punched out with a circle punch a glitter rose and then backed it up with some black cardstock. This is a few flips. We have this one here, this one here. Close those up. We did use rhinestones and then black and white flowers. This flips open to the right, this one to the left, and then we have a pocket here with a whole bunch of tags. So we have these little ones here, and then a big one, and this is a bifold tag. This is what's on the inside. More tags, a tuck spot. Very fun. Okay, put these little guys back. Here we go. Magnetized yet. Most of this I've done all magnet. Just a couple of areas where we've done a ribbon closure. Excuse me. Alright, we have a flip here with a journaling spot. Nice big spot for a photo. This flips up. This is a pocket within a pocket. So there is a pocket behind this fussy cut paper we did. And then a pocket behind that, which is this one here with a big old tag. That was really fun to make, the fussy cutting and making it appear to be, you know, by itself or flat, even though it's a pocket. Alright, then we have a flip up again. Okay, and that is decorated with a bronze element and rhinestones. This one turned out really cute. This is a belly band, the whole piece right here. This is a tag that goes underneath the belly band. And then on the top of the belly band we have a flip, or actually we have a pocket right on front. Then we have a flip to the left, then a flip up, a flip down. That turned out really cute. Got rhinestones everywhere. We did decorating with rhinestones and a pearl. Okay, this one is a really cute paper, or page. Turned out cute to me. We used pearls and rhinestones and stickers. And then of course a bunch of tags. This is a flip that goes to the left. Then you have a swing tab here. I punched that out with a circle punch and inked up the edges. This flips up here. And then you have a little pocket here with a bunch of tags. Very cute. Very fun. Alright. This is our inside back cover. And we have two pockets up front. There's one here. And then one here. And we put tags in there as well. And this flips to the right. This one to the left. And then this is a waterfall in the middle. And these are all pretty much the same color palette, which I think it turned out really cute. Well, that's it, guys. This was the whole book. I hope you enjoyed making it along with me. If you haven't started yet, good luck, and just, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.